Find out which process is locking a file or folder in Windows. How can I find out which process is locking a file or folder in Windows? For instance, when trying to delete a folder, Windows reports this. The action can't be completed because the folder is open in another program. Happens the same with a file, but how do I find out what program or application is currently using it and preventing me from deleting the file or folder?
PowerShell method. The Open Files command needs to have support for local files enabled by running openfiles/local on and restarting. More details how to find out which process is locking a file or folder in Windows Archive.
You can use the Resource Monitor for this, which comes built in with Windows 7, 8, 10 and 11. Open Resource Monitor, which can be found by searching for Resource Monitor or resman.exe in the Start menu, or as a button on the Performance tab in your Task Manager. Go to the CPU tab, use the search field in the associated handle section. See blue arrow and screenshot below. When you found the handle, you can identify the process by looking at the image in ORPID column. You can then try to close the application as you normally would, or, if that's not possible, just right-click the handle and kill the process directly from there. Easy peasy.
A couple of options. Microsoft/sys internals Process Explorer, go to find is greater than find handle or DLL. In the handle or DLL substring text box, type the path to the file, for example c:\path/to/file.txt, and click search. All processes which have an open handle to that file should be listed. HOLOP, Explorer extension which adds a right-click menu option. NB HOLOP appears to not work with Win 10, at least I have been unable to register it with either of the 32 or 64-bit versions of regs for 32.x.
Have a look at Process Explorer, process.exe. From its introduction, ever wondered which program has a particular file or directory open? Now you can find out. To find out what process is using a specific file, follow these steps. Go to find handle or DLL, or simply press Ctrl+F. Enter the name of the file and press search. Process Explorer will list all processes that have a handle to the file open. Click on an entry to focus the process in the main window. Optionally, you can then even close the handle manually through the lower pane, Ctrl+L.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.